how to get back archived stories on Instagram or whether it's possible to do that or not. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. Now when you go to your story, tap on three dots at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on archive. Now to access the archive, simply go back, tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three lines. Now tap on archive. Now select stories. Now open up the recent story. Now tap on three dots. Now as you can see, there is no option to restore the archive on Instagram. So unfortunately, once you archive the story, there is no going back. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.